Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. This is Treasures of a Crafty Mind YouTube channel, and these are the treasures I have today. How are you today? This is a Craftspiration Collaboration day, and I have my crafty bestie Leslie Pico of Mermaid Cove Studios collabing with me. If you would all would like to collaborate with Leslie and myself on a Craftspiration collaboration, send us a message, say something in the leave us a comment in the description. We would love to collaborate with someone. If there's something that you would like to make, we would love to know about it. So let's get crafty together and let's talk about what I have done today. Okay, I have a digital paper collection that is, I think it's called BootsNBloom. I could be wrong. I will leave the name and the link in the description. I grabbed it at Etsy. I was looking for a witches and kitty cats vintage themed digital collection, and this is what I found. I absolutely love it. I love plaid as much as I love Harlequin, and so here is this large tag. The tag is a part of the class that I purchased from Heidi Swap a few years back, and I've gotten around to playing with that actual journal collection, and so I thought this would be a fun digital collection to use in and I thought it went well with what I've been doing. So let's chat about what I did. I grabbed one of my stencils, and you guys, I have a thing about not cleaning my stencils after I've inked them, because I know the next time I go to use it, I'm gonna be able to grab some of that color with my modeling paste. And so this is the modeling paste I usually use, the Light and Fluffy by, I think, TCW, the craftersworkshop.com. And so it grabs these colors, and I just think it's so much fun to do that. And so I will definitely go in and clean my stencil really good. I've wiped it and everything from the modeling paste. I also had these ephemera pieces that I fussy cut from the collection. And I'm not sure what's going on with this collection. I'm going to show you, just want to rant a little bit. So I don't know if you have a Epsom or an EcoTank printer. I have the Epsom, and I have the 2700 or 25, whatever the least expensive one was for the EcoTanks. The same day I printed this collection, I had gone in and printed some ephemera, and the ephemera printed up perfectly. There are no lines whatsoever. So I am not sure why, when I print scrapbook kits from Etsy, I get these lines. And I don't know if it was intentional, because it's supposed to be scrapbook, so it's supposed to look like lined paper, but that's what happened, so I'm just going to ignore it. This is, see the lines? That I don't even know why I pointed it out, but I am. So anyway, here is this one here. I love it. I even added some stickles and some black flatback jemmies. I've gone in and done a crepe paper rosette, but it's only a half rosette. I did it on purpose. And then I have used some cotton crocheted ribbon for kind of a pennant type look, or a award And then I've added the fussy cut images along with the BootsNBloom. And then I did the same with the top of the tag, and I added a orange bulb clip because I had a whole bunch of them and it's hard to find projects to use them on. And I like to add a little bit of metal to my projects when I can. I consider myself a shabby vintage crafter with a hint of steampunk. I love steampunk, but I don't go all out, I feel like, and I'm not super duper grunge, but I do like some grunge. So this is my crafty style. On this one here, here's the owl in the background. I've done some more with the same stencil, and I've added a full crepe paper rosette and the fussy cut images. And this time I added a bat and the foliage. And then I have added some, I've used my hole punch. And I wasn't thinking, I was being lazy, and I have a wonderful die set. Whoops. Crafty happenings everywhere. I have a wonderful die set that I can do shaped, punched hole, or what are they called? Tab hole reinforcement, I think is what they're called. And I should have been less lazy and used the kitty cat. So I have to punch some out so I have them to use. But I did use my Craftilier punch and hologram paper and done the tab holes. And here is how the back looks. I've double-sided both of them. So, thank you so much for allowing me to share what I have made for you today. This was just a super quick project share, and this is what I was inspired to make for today. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next video. This is Denise AbateSmith, and I am Treasures of a Crafted Mind, and these are my new treasures. All right, love you bunches. Bye for now.